welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress blames Family Raj for defeat. GPCC President says leadership failed to take firm stand when it was needed. Inaction about RP, MOI disconnected people from the party. Will not tolerate corruption or indiscipline. Parrikar warns government servants decide to create new avenues of revenue other than mining for economy. Seven MLAs out of 40 newly elected members in the Assembly are crorepati's. An analysis by the Association for Democratic Reforms and Goa Election Watch. GMC keeps recruitment process on hold. GAD asks all department to keep recruitment process on hold. Candidates return from GMC without interview on Monday following new government's orders. Coach Savio Madera says I-League system should change to create better strikers for India. India fall woefully short of being challengers in AFC Challenge Cup. And Sports Week Cricket Club's unique 10-over cricket tournament kicks off. New concept of free hits to make the matches high scoring. And now the news in detail. Congress has blamed Family Raj for defeat. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar in head-on said that Congress did not take important issues like medium of instruction and regional plan 2021 to its logical conclusion. He admitted that party leadership failed to take firm stand when needed. Shirodkar said that if party tells him to resign as president, he is ready to do so. He clarified that Congress will not try to topple the BJP-led alliance government.
निकाल आयल्यात आणि तुमच्या खातीर सामके भयंकर आयल्यात. ह्या निकालांचो पंचनामो कसो करतले?
प्रमुख फॅक्टर जो आसा तो म्हटल्यार घराणेशाही. कारण आमी थोडेशे दबावतंत्र जे आसा पळय न्ही वेगवेगळ्या कुटुंबांचे दबावतंत्र, त्या दबावतंत्राक आमी बळी पडले. मिडियम इन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणजे काँग्रेस पक्षान जरी एक ठाम निर्णय घेतलो की इंग्रजीक ही दिवया अशें म्हणून ताची डेलिव्हरी जाली ना. त्यामुळे ह्या बाजूचे लोक नात आणि त्या बाजूचे लोक नात.
कांय गजालींचेर सरकारान एक स्टँड घेवप आसता आणि
थोडीशी ठाम भूमिका जाय.
ठाम भूमिका घेवप आसता, ती भूमिका घेवप जाली ना.
म्हजे कडल्यान सुद्दां तशी ठाठर भूमिका घेवप जाली ना. हांव मान्य करतलो ते. कारण काही वेळा हांवें सुद्दां म्हणजे शुड हॅव पुट फूट डावन म्हणटा तशें ना, हें जावचीच नाशिल्लें. घराणेशाही जी आसा पळय ती केडी संबंदीची ह्या हाजेर खंय तरी आमी म्हणजे हांवें सुद्दां म्हणपाक जाय आशिल्लें की ना हें अशें जावपाक जाय नाशिल्लें. तशेंच मागीर लँग्वेज इश्यू ह्या विशया संबंदी सुद्दां किंवा तिसरो रिजनल प्लान.
तुमचे कांय लिडर ओवर कॉन्फिडंट जाल्ले?
हय, खुद हांव सुद्दां ओवर कॉन्फिडंट जाल्लो.
टिकीट सिलेक्शना भितर तुमी यू मिसरेड सम थिंग्स.
या वी कुड नॉट रीड द पल्स ऑफ पब्लिक.
तर तुमची राजीनामा दिवपाची तयारी आहा?
हय, फाल्यां समजा हायकमांडाक उलोवन म्हटलें आमी दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लें.
तुमी तयारी? तुमचे काय लोक बाहेर सामके सांगपा लागल्यात की आम्ही 6 महिन्या भितर सरकार उडयता बिडयता.
लक्षात घ्या की काँग्रेस पक्षा कडेन सगळे प्रकारचे बॅलन्सिंग म्हणजे कितें स्थितप्रज्ञ विचार जे करपी लोक आसा ते आसात. लेट हिम परफॉर्म फॉर द स्टेट एंड फॉर द पीपल. आमकां कसलीच घाई ना. 30 वर्सां नंतर सरकार मातशें एक काही तेंपा पुरती कुशीन उरलें जर जायत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की आमी आकाश पाताळ करपाक जाय अशें म्हणून.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडेंट मीडिया. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has warned government servants not to indulge in acts of corruption, manipulation and indiscipline henceforth. He has also said that sustainable mining will be allowed in the state and will be controlled to an extent the state can afford. The Chief Minister has also assured to put ban on use of plastic cups in the government departments.
I have told them very clearly what has happened yesterday can be looked upon as yesterday. but what will happen tomorrow will be your responsibility, because I am giving you very clear instruction that no corruption and no manipulation.
Parrikar says that he will ensure that mining does not go beyond the sustainable capacity of the state.
I will ensure that it cannot go beyond sustainable capacity of the state. One of the concern was depending too much on mining. So we are reducing that dependence. My expectation from mining industry is not increasing, it is decreasing. The revenue collection from mining is less than the last year. Even this year it is hardly 730 crores from 1200 crores earlier.
Parrikar feels that financial position of the state isn't bad.
म्हाका काडपाची गरज ना, कारण I am reducing the debt ratio. I am coming down on the debt ratio. We have our additional mobilization takes care of our. There is a projected growth of 25% which we envisage in the revenue collection.
Okay, but at present financial position is okay.
Okay, it is, because code of conduct has stopped them from plundering away the money.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Goa's victorious 37 MLAs of the 40 newly elected members in the assembly are crores. It has seen a huge rise from 55% in 2007 to 93% in 2012. These are the analysis by the Association for Democratic Reforms and Goa Election Watch. Here is a report. Goa Election Watch has analysed that the former Speaker Pratap Singh Rane has maximum assets worth 25 crore 87 lakh rupees, followed by Vijay Sardesai with 25 crore 21 lakh rupees and Jennifer Montserrat with 23 crore 7 lakh rupees. Among major parties, the average asset per MLA from Congress are worth 13 crore 41 lakh rupees. For MGP, it is 6 crore 78 lakh rupees. BJP, it is 4 crore 96 lakh rupees. And for GVP, it is 4 crore 43 lakh rupees. Vijay Sardesai has the highest increase in asset worth 19 crore 75 lakh rupees, followed by Pratap Singh Rane with an asset increase of 17 crore 4 lakh rupees and Deepak Dhawarkar with an asset increase of 11 crore 98 lakh rupees as compared to 2007 assembly poll. Labu Mamladar of MGP from Ponda is the only MLA who has shown a fall in his assets. His assets have decreased by 25%. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.